In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a file smart chip in Google Sheets. This feature is incredibly useful for seamlessly linking to files directly within your spreadsheet, allowing for more dynamic and integrated data management. Let's get started by opening Google Sheets. Once you're in your desired spreadsheet, head on over to the top menu bar. You're going to want to look for the Insert option. Clicking on Insert will open a drop-down menu with several options to choose from. It's a key step you won't want to skip because it's the gateway to accessing the Smart Chip feature. Now, with the drop-down menu open, you'll notice an option labeled Smart Chips. This is what we're interested in today. Move your cursor to Smart Chips and click on it. This will present you with different types of smart chips that you can insert, ranging from people to files. By choosing the appropriate option, you'll be able to tailor your document to better meet your needs. Next, within the Smart Chips menu, you'll find an option for File. Go ahead and click on File. This is when the magic really starts to happen, allowing you to link to a file stored in your Google Drive. This step is crucial for integrating your files directly into your spreadsheet, making it easier to access all related documents with just a click. After selecting File, you'll be presented with a pop-up window showing your available files from Google Drive. Here, take a moment to browse through or use the search bar to locate the specific file you wish to link. It's a good idea to have the file name on hand or a general idea of where it might be saved in your drive to make this step smoother. Once you've found the right file, simply click on it to select it. And that's it. By following these steps, you've just inserted a file smart chip into your Google Sheet. This small but powerful addition can save you a lot of time and streamline your workflow. If you need to reference the file again or share your spreadsheet with a colleague, they'll have all the information they need right at their fingertips. It really makes collaboration much more efficient. Remember, integrating tools like File Smart Chips into your Google Sheets can greatly enhance your productivity and keep your documents in sync. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like or subscribe for more tips and tricks that will enhance your digital workspace capabilities. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting!